This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms will impact Ottawa, north central Seneca, Erie, Sandusky, east central Wood, and northeastern Lucas counties through 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Bowling Green to Arcadia to near Forest. Movement was northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Fremont, Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Put-in Bay, Oregon, Clyde, Northwood, Oak Harbor, Gibsonburg, Genoa, Woodville, Elmore, Green Springs, Castalia, Ballville, Catawba Island, Pemberville, Millbury, and Lucky. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building.